Welcome to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge.
Prophet Musa, Prophet Isa, Prophet Ibrahim, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Correct answer is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What is the Islamic day of worship? Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Monday. Correct answer is Friday. What is the name of the first mosque built in Islam? Al-Aqsa Mosque, Cuba, Al-Haram Mosque, Prophet Mosque. Correct answer is Cuba Mosque. Which companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is known as the truthful? Umar ibn Khattab, Usman ibn Affan, Abu Bakr. Correct answer is Abu Bakr radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. What is the second pillar of Islam? Zakat, Salat, Hajj, Shahada. Correct answer is Salat. What is the name of the last surah in the Quran? Surah Al-Fatiha, Surah Ikhlas, Surah An-Nas, Surah Al-Baqarah. Correct answer is Surah An-Nas. Who was the first martyr in Islam? Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib, Sumayya bin Khayyat, Bilal ibn Rabah, other. Correct answer is Sumayya bint Khayyat radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. What is the Islamic term for the pre-dawn meal during Ramadan? Iftar, Suhoor, Zakat, Sadaqah. Correct answer is Suhoor. How many months are there in the Islamic calendar? 12, 10, 11, 13. Correct answer is 12.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.